Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today I will explain how to fix your performance max issues where your ads are limited due to destination not working. Even though that you have changed the URLs, it is still not getting approved. So what you will notice is this campaign is of course paused because it's already fixed. But when you have your Performance Max assets and you have already updated the final URL, you will notice that the expanded URL is the old URL. So in this case, this client has changed the URLs and I have updated the final URL subsequently. However, Google is still causing issues where it's saying that its destination is not working even though you've changed the final URL. So there are two steps that you need to do for this to work. The first step is going to your campaign asset group and then change the URL to the correct one. So make sure that the final URL is the correct URL and make sure that it works. Then after that, you go to your campaign settings and scroll down to automatically created assets. And then in your final URL, you want to exclude your old 404 URLs. So just exclude them. As you can see here, I've excluded it. That's the one that we had issues with. Then what you want to do is you could either wait 24 hours and check if that resolves your issue. However, in my case, it did not, and I had to recopy the asset group within the Performance Max campaign. An easy way to do that is go download Google Ads Editor and simply just as we do here. So let's say it's the bottoms, we copy, Control C and Control V, we paste it, and we just give it number 2 to show that that's the issue. Now I've already added that, so let's say number 3. There we go. So you can see that I've already copied a few that had this issue with the final destination URL not working. So once you've copied your asset group, you can post the edits, and then in Google Ads your campaigns will be updated within 24 hours. Now that is a solution that I have done. Now of course it's not good that you have to recreate your asset group. That is really the only solution to the issue as of writing. Google has confirmed that there's no other solution in fixing this issue. So now hopefully for people having the same issue, they can resolve it following these steps. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.